Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making super simple cake pops. So let's get started. Our first step to the cake pop recipe is taking a chocolate cake, and I trimmed off the crust of the cake because you just want the soft part in the middle. And now I'm just taking with my hands and I'm crumbling it all into pieces. Now what I'm doing is I took a chocolate buttercream and I'm now just folding it into my cake crumbs. And the next step after this is I'm rolling them into balls and sticking the sticks inside them. So now I'm just going to keep mixing this all up. Eventually you're going to need to go in with your hands and just start folding all the crumbs into the buttercream. So my cake has been rolled into walnut-sized balls, and I've put them in the fridge for about 1 hour or until they're firm. I now have some cake pop sticks and melted chocolate. I'm going to dip my cake pop sticks into the chocolate and now poke them into the balls. Now that I've done that, I'm going to dip them into the melted chocolate and let the excess drip off. Now that the excess is dripped off, I'm going to poke them into a foam board and sprinkle on some sprinkles. And now we just keep repeating this step. Dip the cake pop stick into the chocolate and then into our cake pops. I've now decorated all of my cake pops and they look so good. Julia, are you ready to try them out?
Yeah.
Okay. How do they taste?
Yummy!
Best thing you ever had? Thanks guys for watching this video, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!